So this is the M2, the brand new one I posted a few weeks ago. We've now put some extras onto the car, so I'll just show you quickly. We've got these bits, the carbon. Oh, very nice. And another little carbon bit there, and then with a carbon sill. Very nice. And we added a carbon spoiler, another carbon trim there, and then the main feature to top it off is we put the M Performance exhaust on. Beast. Yes, just suits the car, I think. Definitely. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Peace.